Kenny G against Doctor's Orders. We are playing the game. Little Snook on the radio. We've got Sue Chambers with us from Solihull in West Midlands, and she has got 21 points at this stage in the game, which is one further than Anne Granger got earlier on in the game. Are you prepared to do part two now?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you could take the lead if you get to the blue and answer successfully. So here we go. Yellow, the easy stuff first. Which mouse is always being chased by Tom the cat?
Jerry.
For 3 points, which London building houses the Royal Mews and the Queen's Gallery? How are we doing?
No idea.
It's worth a guess.
The Royal Mews.
The Royal Mews and the Queen's Gallery.
I've no idea. Absolutely no idea.
Nothing?
The Albert Hall?
The Albert Hall. Ooh.
Whack, whack, oops.
Oh.
I haven't got a clue.
I think you might kick yourself.
Yes, I probably will.
It's the most obvious building that would have the Queen's Gallery and the Royal Mews in it. It's the most obvious royal building.
Buckingham Palace.
That's the one.
Oh.
Yes, Buckingham Palace. Oh, never mind.
Oh, dear.
Not to worry. Listen, it's good to have you with us anyway.
Thank you.
We were shaking along there like a good one. Have you enjoyed being with us?
Yes, I have.
So you sound a lot brighter and breezier now. I think you're getting demob crazy now. You feel that any second now you can put the phone down and relax. That's why you're feeling good, isn't it?
Yes.
I know that. Well, listen, Sue, have a good Sunday.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed your stay with us.
Yes, I have.
And there will be something coming to you in the post.
Right.
I promise you. You'll love it. However, your children, if they get hold of this special thing that we're sending through the post, will not let you have it back.
Oh.
So be warned.
Right.
It might be the secret weapon you've been looking for.
Ah.
Yes. No, it's not a gag or a joke.
Shame.
All right, love. Thanks very much indeed.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
That there may be trouble following last weekend's riots in London. Campaigners in Huddersfield are calling for a silent protest to get their message across. But leading West Yorkshire anti-poll tax campaigner John Ingham says even though the organisers don't want troublemakers turning up, it's impossible to guarantee a peaceful demonstration.
We can guarantee that all the sections that we take, all the local federations, and all the stewarding will be done with that aim in mind. But on the other hand, you can't guarantee, especially when we went to London, where really you have people there who are desperate, in a desperate situation, people who live in cardboard boxes. You can't guarantee that they'll conduct a protest and a demonstration in quite the same way that other people.
A woman seriously ill in hospital after a crash in the Thornton area of Bradford. Angela Meyer from Allerton was taken to Bradford Royal Infirmary after her car was involved in a collision with a pickup truck on Thornton Road yesterday afternoon. 11-year-old Jonathan Meyer received slight injuries in the crash but has been allowed home. Finally, soccer, and Leeds United are 14 points from Division 1 this morning after their 1-1 draw with Bradford City at Elland Road. The point gives the Bantams renewed hope of second division survival. Huddersfield Town let a 2-goal lead slip at Shrewsbury but still remain on the fringe of playoff contention in 9th place. Tim White reports.
Leeds look to be coasting to 3 points in a scrappy game until a controversial finale. Gary Speed with his first senior goal for the club had put United ahead in the 53rd minute, and Bradford didn't have a second half shot on goal until they were awarded a penalty 3 minutes.
Simon Archer has a birthday today, and I want to wish Simon a very happy birthday. He's actually, I have to tell you girls, for future reference, Simon is a sort of businessman, a young businessman. He's 33 years old now today, 33. And he's an executive type, but he's good fun. It's good for a laugh.